Today we're going to Hero Square and the Palace.
The Hero Square is not this way, down the other way.
It's the other way. Today we're walking in the opposite direction of Hero Square. We're going to the Palace. I don't know if you can see it, but up there's an outdoor pool. Looks very warm actually because it's freezing today. But there's people in their swimming costumes in the pool. How long have we been walking for now?
2 days.
2 days. Feels like it. We've been walking now for 2 days to try and get to this. We can't find the bar. We're trying to find Hero Square, which should be easy to find. It's quite a distance. We're trying to do everything by walking rather than public transport or taxi, which is always the healthier option. So we're going to try and find Hero Square. But the houses are huge. I don't know whether they're houses or offices. Or schools. Really grand, look at that one. Oh, that's the Academy of Music. That's lovely though. And then every now and again you'll come past, like in the distance, or just in front actually I think, a block of flats. So it's a mixture of buildings here. Oh, bank. Well, that is, but it looks interesting, and you can go up there as well. So we're heading over to see what it's all about. Unless, is that Hero Square maybe?
Yeah, no, not that one.
No?
No, not that one.
Museum of Ethnology.
Quick.
So museum
Of ethnology. Ethnography. Ah. It looks really cool in real life. I hope it looks cool on camera too. My friend Sue works for that company. Right, and then we've got Hero Square is where, Jen?
You know, let's see the green thing in it, and then the end there's a thermal bath.
Thermal bath. And I can see an ice rink as well through the trees.
Yeah. Walk the distance, mine goes over there.
No, we're gonna go
Check
to
the view.
side.
I was a lot harder than they looked. Totally out of breath now, I'm so unfit. But we've been walking for 2 hours at this point. We've got another 2 hours obviously to go back. Don't know whether you can see down through the mesh. But yeah, I suppose it's worth it because of the view. Jen was just saying how pretty this would all look if it was full of flowers. Underneath there was a lovely cafe, so we just stopped and had a welcome cup of coffee. Nice to get a bit of warmth. What's the temperature today like?
I think it's either 1 or 2 degrees.
I would say, yeah, about 2 degrees.
2 degrees today.
Cold.
2 degrees cold. So this is Hero Square. That's something to do when it's really cold, isn't it?
It's gonna get what?
Wow. Cool. Excuse the pen. Yeah, what's this?
I don't know.
The Museum of Hungarian Agriculture.
Oh.
Yeah, I can translate. An agricultural museum.
Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like a really old castle. Better than Buddha castle we've seen, isn't it?
Yeah. I think they're equally as pretty myself,
Oh,
but
look,
in
there's like a haunted.
different ways.
Look at it, like a haunted house, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
I got a video.
What do you think of that then?
Which one? Oh,
All of it. What would
It's-
you say?
it's pretty. It's just like really really old. You know, you see in a film like a ghost film or something.
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
It's
It was
really
quite.
nice,
I thought.
impressive. It was just like, I don't know what's a history on that, but I really don't know.
What do they need to do if they need to find out more information?
Google it.
God, she's so clever. Google it. It was very pretty around that area. Don't know what else I can say about it. It was quite creepy and very pretty. Ooh. So this reminds us of Disney Springs. We were planning on going on this balloon. It goes up in the air, but it's closed today. Unfortunately, it would be nice to have showed you guys a video of it going up. City Park. It looks like lots of, to me it looks like lots of mermaids, and then the guy who's just not impressed with a mug of coffee. Probably got that wrong. You okay?
Yeah, it's nice and cold.
Very cold, isn't it, today?
Yeah, no news or whatever.
It's getting colder as the day gets on. Blinking freezing now. So we're on our way now. We've been walking now for probably about 3-4 hours. And we're going to walk 40 minutes now to the
yeah.
ruin bar.
3.5 hours, 4 hours.
Which is Jen.
Yeah.
What's the name of the ruin bar?
Simply Kurt.
Simply
Simpler Kurt. Is it Simpler Kurt?
Simpler Kurt. Simpler Kurt. Ruin bar, which is closed.
Oh my god, this is nice.
What is it, Jen?
Oh, this chicken kebab.
Chicken kebab.
Chicken wrap.
You know, looks nice. And how much was it?
£3.
£3.
Not bad, isn't it?
Bargain. Budapest skate park. I would like it there. Right next to the big suit round by our hotel again now. Ooh.
人家提起大箱里来，人家卷一大箱里呢。
Yeah, they are good. Not as good as you would be though if you were on a skateboard right
My
now.
back was alright, my shins are alright. Lost about 2 stone, 3 stone, maybe 4.
Andy's got really bad shins. My back's still playing me up. Brian's actually like a trooper, isn't he?
You've had about 14 hours kit, mate.
Yeah.
That's a quick, is it?
Yeah.
Lock tree.
So I was gonna try and find Chris and Chris's lock that they put on your. I don't even know, but
The gold one?
I can't remember what colour it was even. That's really bad of me, isn't it? But yeah.
You ready yet?
But there's loads and loads and loads on there. I bet it would only take me like an hour to find it, but these are not waiting. They've had enough, they want to have a sit down now. 4 hours walking so far today. So I think we deserve a drink after that.
1 or 2
1 or 2.
gallons.